strip a little more, buddy. So bittersweet today, last launch of the summer. We got 2 boats in the Green River. We launched right at the dam, Flaming Gorge Dam, and now we are headed to all 3 sections, A, B, C, and we got a hookup. Alright, so as I was saying, bittersweet morning because it's our last launch of the summer. But we put 2 boats in. We're going to do all 3 sections of the Flaming Gorge Dam, or the Flaming Gorge section of the Green. And put in went great. Kids worked hard. Had a great launch. And now we're nymphing, and the pink JV boat back there, Lenny and Mom, they're throwing a hopper dropper. Show us your face. So what do you got going on back here?
I'm hiding under a blanket.
Got your bimini? All right, what are we?
I took it down off the top.
You stoked for a Green River experience?
Yeah. The water's very clear.
It's pretty awesome, isn't it?
Yeah, it's very cold.
Oh, there's a giant rainbow. It's fun to just watch fish here.
Yeah, 'cause it's
You can see them. Just start watching as there's fish sliding everywhere. Oh!
Did you lose them?
We lost them.
Oh, that was a loser.
Yeah, we'll get another one here.
Oh, there we go.
All right, you go net that puppy. Don't fall in. You're good. You keep pressure on them. You steer with your tip. Bring them around. You're all right. Lily can net him. Remember, you're shooting for his head, Lily. Woo! Green River, only on the green. You gotta wait. Wait till you don't rush it, Lily. Wait till you got a headshot at him. Get him. There, up, lift. Did he eat the worm? One plus. We got rid of the bad one. They lost the ground. And we'll go right back to the net with it. Yeah. Hey, Lenny's pulled in because he needs something. What do you need, Lenny? Oh, you need Scormito supplies.
I don't know how.
Oh, it's good.
Oh yeah. It's filming. The song is going on. Yeah, I'm ready. It's gonna be a little hard.
Put it right over them. Just keep putting it in front of their nose. Oh, set. I might have seen it. Yep, there he is. On the emerger. You were right, Len.
Yeah, pump it up.
Give me a headshot at him. Nice. There you go. You want us to slide back, Len? Away from.
Oh, there's a fish. You see that?
Uh-uh. There it is.
Oh yeah.
Oh, there's that's a good rainbow. That's good. Hey, cheat up. The net's up here. Cheat up. Cheat right. Cheat right as you go. Get them. Yep. I don't know, Vince. I fight it like it's a real fish. I think I saw it. Down in the weeds, buddy. Get him up. Yeah, that's a solid. It's a big brown. It's a good brown. Yeah. I told you I thought it was good. Yeah, get your act together. Saying it's probably just a rainbow. Let's go, baby! There you go. Lily Grace, how was the green today?
Good.
What was so good about it?
The water was very clear. It was too cold to swim, but I might swim like another day if it's really hot.
You need to get tough and swim tomorrow.
But it was very good. And like even when it was like deep, like on the Clarion River, like you wouldn't be able to see the bottom, you could see the bottom there because the water's so clear. It's like clearer than the water you drink.
That's a good way to describe the Green River. Pretty awesome.
Oh, buddy! There's 3 18-inch browns just mowing. They're probably eating spinners, but they would definitely eat an adult. That wasn't your fly? Yep, yep. Get to a reel, get to a reel. Yeah, baby. Hey, remember, you got smaller tippet. You're not gonna fish with streamers anymore. Alright. Probably not far enough, but it's probably worth letting go. Get ready. There he is. Lost him. Nope, broke him off. He ate the spinner. Oh, did you see that? He ate the spinner. He chose the spinner. Yes. Nah. So we've hooked 2 20-inch browns right here, 8 yards from the bank. Both are still in there. We didn't get them to the net. There you go. Good shot. All right, right to release. Oh, there he is. Get him under control. Get him back down here. I'll let him catch on the tip of that other rod. Hook yourself, deep player. Wow, that's very interesting weeds. Get him netted, and I'll. All right. Hey, arms are tired. Take a picture, Brad. Hurry up, Brad. Take a picture. That's perfect.